Microwave TV.
A long time you
I
argue
saw you and your dirty friend them Rosalie come out and come talk about Queenie grape picnic at school. And then I go over on the dirty life and me attack and then I come talk about
Money
but I
gun
go
chat, money
report me to
gun.
Ministry of Education call me a pedophile. Me not even think no over there know if you spell the word pedo much less file. But suck out to the mother, especially you Rosalie. You big and
Vanessa,
fat and careless.
thank you, Vanessa.
You big and fat
Vanessa,
and
big up
careless
yourself.
Rosalie. Go beard.
Vanessa, me
Go
drop
and beard
on no
Rosalie. The local time you take up yourself, boy, you go gym. You should have continued to bumbo clad gym, Rosalie. Because all of me see what the gym they do for you. You only there go to the gym for clout, and you only there go to the gym
Me
to
not do
try
nothing,
to
me a
prove a
beard.
point. But people like you, Rosalie,
I am.
you will never lose weight. Go beard. You
Big up
stink
yourself, man.
so.
No, me not gonna know you. Bling has jewelry big up. Remember the money gun them chat, huh?
You big and sour,
Yeah, me know
Rosalie.
you.
And gringo them over
Remember
there.
your man.
Big stink and sour.
Big up.
when they
And then every time people come out and talk the truth, you don't come and bringing people picnic in there. Where the fuck you are bringing people picnic in
when
there for?
Rosalie go up on the scale, it say pending, one at a time, pending. I can't.
Yeah, pending.
You have to go up on a scale where a ton. I match ton. You can't go up on a scale where I say
Every day
pound.
shake, you wear pretty them. Every day shake.
Hey,
Right now, me no
I want
Roger
to-
better.
Hold on, see why you
man.
stop people asking
Roger
them
might not be a
questions.
biological father, but Roger has been fathering many kids. When Jake had to touch up here one them.
yeah, more than 6 cats. Me
You
about 6
hear what
cats.
she say? Hold on there on the mute.
You don't fearless.
One man singular. You gotta tell her, say you need more evidence.
So why our mother never did do nothing?
Because you have to think like you have kids in a certain situation.
So why our mother never do nothing?
Our mother not capable.
See me on here?
And I go beat you, because you beat your mama every day.
That's why she
The
can't make
scale
a
says
better
still
fashion.
Remember
searching.
say
No
you cuss your
mistake.
mama for one mat, Rosalie. Remember that.
You have to prove.
Remember say you lock off the Wi-Fi upon the woman, Rosalie. Remember that.
The Wi-Fi or the
Remember you
light?
took up, remember you lock off all the light to Rosalie,
Oh,
because you big and you
plug out the
careless.
extension.
You're big and careless, Rosalie.
If somebody come to you with a thing like that and you think like a mother, first thing you have to tell the person to go to station.
Exactly.
Me no get what she say.
Rosalie, we're not
Social
in,
media.
we're not in the
Come
same
on, say
league,
I'm
baby.
man.
We're of different breed, baby.
Somebody don't tell life and bar.
Fight
Where's
was
the
a
You
shot?
open them mother come and
And every time Rosalie talks, she talk about
you
bike,
have
Roger
nothing
and
to
bike.
say, big
What the
and
fuck
free.
bike Roger bike have to do with you, Rosalie?
10 over 2.
Hey, man, not tell like the bike when me buy my friend them, kill them, do.
You need to come out for the app and
Bye-bye.
go.
You can't know, say, I want play. Hey, bless, come if you don't make them nice, brother, bless. It's not work, you know.
I know, this a bless.
Rosalie go beard. I don't need to go do
No,
a
man, bless up a top, man.
because you come over, oh, you shame. I know shame police. At Rainbow Police, I know shame Rosalie. You only assess her because you were being exposed to the dirty lifestyle where you all live.
And the evidence when you sit down and say they want get up. Something in the house.
If police never come here, they never know say they get up and go buy one new couch.
The
Eh?
resident saying that when controlling
If police never come here, they never know say your house did want for paint out. If police never come here, they never know say you need to pull up your socks and fix your folly ground. You come back and chat of a stinking dirty mouth. All you sour and Rosalie, all your breath. Me never had all your mouth must be sour. You need baking soda, Rosalie. Cause Listerine
Baking soda, you want baking soda.
and you know what people are gonna say? Man a cuss woman, but at the end of the day, if one woman a class say you have a blood clot answer back. Me tell my boy pity them say anybody
That's not woman, that's a
lick them
cow.
back. Any girl lick
That's
lick
not
them
woman,
back,
that's a
me take no
cow.
blood clot.
You
lick
think
from
Gringo
your
start
body.
ball it, Gringo go
And we are
ball
all
here now.
human being.
Make Gringo and the rest of them, we have put them GoFundMe money together. Put it together for your liar, for your Rosalie, because you don't stink. You don't look stink.
Who from mouth no want fix, nose want fix, eye want fix. My blood clot and see a disability crew.
There is no fucking Peter Gay, people. There is no Peter Gay. Sky is the alleged Peter Gay. Sky can't see her phone and pretend like she's Peter Gay. There is no Peter Gay.
Listen,
You
give me
have sense
peace eye,
know that.
teacher. Give me peace eye. Teacher, give me peace eye. I weren't me there now. I'm saying my
Go ahead,
Africa
Brett.
come get peace eyes. Roger, Yeah, wanna hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, break me
Rosalie,
here.
Yeah.
move your blood clot,
Yeah.
walking
Yeah.
blood clot. You're big like the wall of outer door. Rosalie, you want to scour. You know them long time blood clot, something that you use scour pot. Rosalie, you want scour down. Rosalie, you want to bathe. Rosalie, your neck want scrub off. Rosalie, you look like when blood clot carry rotten down. Rosalie, your fever blood clot handicap. Rosalie, you want to scour. Rosalie, go and
Yeah,
wash your
lose
blood
bread.
clot dirty body wall. Rosalie, come off a Roger bomber clot and allow the fucking youth alone. Where they move a blood clot every day? Me all out of blood clot bread. Come and say me have to come get piece of this. And where they move a blood clot and live on him car. We don't have a blood clot, but the problem. Every minute you know but Roger but the system man a fuck blood
Before you go
clot in
help
jail.
down, go fix
But
her wig,
wait,
her
me
head.
not
Go
done.
help down, go fix her wig, man. Find
Me
some
not
bad stuff
done.
you want to do.
Me not done. I would my out of bread. Me have to take me off any and piece of it.
Teacher.
Blood clot, Rosalie. Me am for the world.
Hey,
We're not going to blood clot
I'm
Guinness World
fast
Book.
food
All
now
you,
already.
Rosalie,
Me
Rosalie,
I'm
do
you
it.
for
Me
come
the
out
never
every
get
world.
other
happy
week and
with.
change your hairstyle like you was a
You're
fucking
big
hot
like
girl.
when
You's
fucking
not a
courage
hot girl,
boy.
Prince, big up
Rosalie.
Prince.
You's a flat girl.
Here,
I try
pain.
put
Wait,
on a
Rosalie a
show
big
for
no
you.
sleep.
Pain.
wait,
Rosalie a big no
wait.
sleep.
All of
My
them, the
out
money
of
there,
bread because me
Rosalie, where
say,
you use a
well,
fix
I'm
up
a
your
teacher.
dirty head. You should
Rosalie
have
a
used
big
them
no
the money
sleep.
there. I buy textbook. Cause right now, I'm think Barbara and your daughter have the textbook at our school where you buy at the free government textbook. Them you have the pen pan.
Wait, me have to
All
go
of them
back
dirty
in.
money the way I
Teacher,
use
me
and
have to
put
go
here
back
in
in. Give
your
me back piece of
tough
it. Give me
head. They
back
should have
piece
used
of
them the
it.
money there to do something
Perfection.
constructive.
Give me piece of it, man.
You
No,
think
no,
your
give
kid
her
birthday
alone.
party yet? You
Teacher.
don't done yet. You think Gringo
Oh
cry
my
yet?
God, my
Like
I know
teacher, give me
Gringo go
piece of
cry.
it. Teacher, hold on,
Teacher, give me
man.
a minute.
You
Just
know,
be
ever
Worse when
right
they
blood
come
back.
out
clot
for
and make
all
dumpling
queen
and
and
see
come
when the
talk
blood
about
clot
my
flower
colleague queen
boil.
they come out
You
and
no
do this and do
ever
that.
need dumpling and
Rosalie
when
go
the
beard
flower
and go
boil
wash
for
your
uno.
big drawers them way have
Rosalie look
on.
like a blood clot boil flower.
Rose no wear
Rosalie look
draws.
like
Rose no
when
wear
blood can
draws.
make ton can meal. Rosalie in favor blood clot ton can meal. Rosalie look like when you scotch egg. Rosalie look like when you blood clot skull piece of blood clot saltfish. Rosalie want
Rosalie
to
look like
scour down
rhino.
when the blood clot pot them where you ever see when them put pot out of the and use ashes and scour it down? I saw Rosalie want blood clot beard. Rosalie, you dirty looking Rosalie. Come off of the
Lady man, you
batty
drop
blood.
down.
Come off of the big bumper clot live and
Drink
come
up a
off of
water,
it.
mama. Water.
Don't
Come
you
Rosalie
calm
off
big
of
down,
blood
like
teacher.
clot.
Kelly.
Follow the
Take it
people
away,
them.
Nobody
teacher.
Me
Make
say
big
me
sure
like
get
out
me
of
good
Kelly.
time and
breath.
take look of bread. Teacher.
Me run come out the door. Cause I couldn't make
And
it
then
people
now
have
them
no
have the
sense and cuss
audacity
bad
to come
word.
talk about people over here say look cloud. Nobody over
You
here
know,
say look no
from the
fucking cloud,
argument.
Rosalie. Whether
Don't
if
have
we
the
have
old.
degree or we
Rosalie
not have
have
the
the old
degree, or
clothes.
no my teeth so we done
Rosalie
over
big
here,
like
so
outer door.
nobody
One
not
more,
done
one more we
over
need.
here, so. Nobody not
Rosalie
done
big
over
like
here,
a
so
outer
Rosalie.
door. Rosalie
Nobody
big
not
like
done over
Hey,
here, so
outside.
I
Rosalie.
feel like a
I for sure you see you look
superstar. I
big
don't
and
have to
done,
Rosalie
cuss.
big
Rosalie.
like
You come and
outside.
here try use
Rosalie
big
big like
word.
calico
I don't
draws.
have to
Rosalie,
cuss.
this is Rosalie. Walk around. This is Rosalie. Rosalie big like overrun. You move around blood clot. Rosalie, you all big like out your so. I saw you big.
You come
Rosalie,
now,
don't
you
make me
want
argue
people
with
to
you.
sympathize with the Rosalie after you already caused the fucking damage right up my
Don't let
already.
me argue with you. Rosalie, leave blood clot Roger and Shay alone. What the blood clot you worry about Shay
Yeah,
picking
let
them
go with
for?
sure.
Me say, Barbara come give a piece of blood clot,
Me say Shanta
bitch.
go beat her. Mama I say you same way how Rose beat her. Me want
Me say
Shanta
the
turn
people
off
ever
the
gonna
light
come
for
give
her
you
when
a
she get big, you
blood
see.
clot beating. Me say me dey on blood clot live and Shanta anger blood clot Rosalie like I'm mama. I want to picnic you some fuck bumbo clot like an angle you. You worry
Me
about
can
people
talk to you now we
fucking
over here,
picnic
Sir
too
Rosalie.
much. Worry about people picnic too much and
Me, I
fear
show
with
me can't
fucking
turn on my
child.
camera for
Leave
show
people
no say
pick me
me
alone every
bedroom
fucking
clean a
time when
blood
I call people
clot.
pick me name. Allow people and blood clot pick me name alone man. I stop call people pick me name now on the fucking mouth.
Exactly,
Everything when
she
I
only
fear
have
mention
strength for we and she not have fucking
pick me.
See,
strength
What
for
I'm
as
talking
she
CD.
start
stop man.
Shay,
Cause when
as she
CD
start
got
call
yard one
Shay
day she
name, she
never have no
start call the
strength.
woman
Stop
with pity
blood
them
clot talk
name.
about the people them pick me for.
You got blood clot
Why
What
right
the
do you
fuck
CD
you know
call.
what
got
about
Rose
shit
yard
pick me
Rose
for?
have a talk
And
about how
food
she
no
should have
one blood
she
clot
should have beat
twine.
the woman. We
When
come
I worry
from
about pick me
CDA.
where fuck
You could
from
have
them.
beat which one
You
from
can't
CDA,
manage
Rosalie.
Shanta.
You big and stink.
Come off a
Rosalie
bumper
favor them
clad
big
You
pick me
old
are
man.
blood
beard
clot black country
with a
hog.
dark brush. Right,
Come
Rex?
Rosalie
off a
favor
blood.
them
You
big
are
black
Rosalie,
country
you are
hog.
beard with a dark brush. Oh, one
Before you take your
Rosalie. You
time,
must
Rosalie, and go back to school. Put
do
something in
what?
your big
No
tough skull where you
classroom
have.
can hold that the big old blood
No.
clot vagabond there. No classroom can hold that the big vagabond, this big old
No,
blood
you come
clot
over here so I
stuff.
come worry about Shay. When you fuck you worry about
You
Shay for?
want scour
All
with
know
dog
where
mouth.
Shay come from, not about
You
you and your
want
pitney
Oh,
them.
yeah,
scour
me
with
put
dog
But
up
every
your
mouth
time you
and
Shay
talk, you
dog
have
was
no Shay
mouth.
pitney
on.
them. We have no
Fear.
Shay pitney them
Come
for.
off of people them blood clad pitney. Come off of the people them pitney.
It's
You want
quick.
go out of the door
How
and
me I
put
gonna
on
bring down
like a blood
somebody get
clad pot. You want put on
who
like
Hey,
it
this?
out of the door and use ashes and scour Rosalie.
Join.
You want to use
every
ashes
day
and
you get up and
scour.
Shay blood clot pitney
And
them.
it back one to
I
wash
neck
Rosalie. Come off
lift
of
You
up
people
need
them
your
to go
blood
back
blood
to
clad.
school,
clot
Rosalie,
The
and
and
shit
read
pitney
the
do
book
ya.
and say,
Come off
I
of the
am
girl
a
blood
Rosalie, your
virgin.
clad
jaw
pitney
scratch
man.
is
I am
deep.
big.
Come
Your
off of the
jaw
blood
scratch
clad
is
girl
deep,
pitney.
Rosalie. Your jaw scratch is deep.
Hold on, Roger, you hear all that girl I love my blood clad pinning them. Some no want nobody go say you sit down right there, so hear me a class back or pin them and you don't say nothing. But you have
And
to
a
sit down
she
right there and
first.
just
Yeah, man.
listen.
Rosalie can
Because you
control
hear say
fear
that girl
blood
I
clad
love my
pitney them.
blood clad pinning them. You
Rosalie
see
can
all that
control
girl
fear
I
on
love
them.
my pinning them, Roger, me not see that girl I
That's a
talk
true,
about her
car.
pinning them.
Oh, you're pinning them. Oh, you're pinning them,
You
Rosalie
see
Rachel.
that
can
girl
This.
control
I love my
Shanta.
pinning them.
No, come off of people and pitney man and stop calling people fucking pitney name in an
Exactly, it's
argument.
very
No,
What
sir.
pitney
disgusting and
them do no?
distasteful.
I'm
Wanna
gonna
stop
suck
calling people
your
pitney
mama
name
where you
man.
be.
They fucking pitting them and live
And
way
then,
better life than
Nobody not
Rosalie.
no
I don't
ashes
know
of
that
them
too, you
life
know.
to put Rosalie
I
out
have
of
to
the
show them no
scour
shake
down.
cool.
Come
When
off and
Shay
put
golf her
fucking
picking
people
them back,
pitney name
now
man.
your
Me gone
ears
back in
say.
and me
And true,
fucking work.
our kids them are weakness, so
Come
that's why them always
listen.
go for the woman blood
Me
Listen,
say
clot.
Rosalie
Shanta
don't
go
have no
beat
limit.
Rose
Come
Desi man.
off of people
Shanta go give her a
pitney.
beat in her life.
You
Come
know,
off
say
of
she
people
beat
pitney.
her
What the fuck
mama,
she
so what
talk
you
about Shay pitney
expect? If
for?
she beat her mama, Pitney come beat her too.
Them are gonna put her
Right.
out of fear own a fucking place and
Your
yam off
class
her
three in
ear.
the box, Rosalie. If you ever them big son them
Shana,
man,
Rosalie,
you
you
carry.
can't
They
talk
daughter and
nobody
son of
over
God
ya.
school every day.
Shana, what you mean by Rosalie never call her child name? I like them I tell what the blood
Them
clot. If you
always
don't
never
right, you
Jungle.
can't
hear.
listen to the blood clot live. And she said, sure and Jera, so what the blood clot you mean, girl?
She
What
said,
the blood
Yeah, she
Shayla
clot
said,
said
you
that.
mean?
sure
From
and
what a blood
JR.
clot self. What the
What
fuck
you
you
Exactly.
talk about,
mean?
Shana? What you did there?
What the
What you
fuck
did
you
there?
mean?
Who's that Saturday under my life?
Under your blood clot
Under
life,
my
of
life today?
course.
Get
Listen
rid of
That's
her.
it
her.
The
too.
son
And
of
you
a
say
get
talk
that
about
son of
blood
it.
clot
So
for
do
them
not get rid
suck
of
your
her.
good
No,
girl.
we want
What
her
the
for ear
blood
before.
clot
When you
you
done
mean?
her, then you block them. You not block them right away. You done them and then you block them because you can't blood clot talk to ghost. Shana go suck your mother back way, front way, side way, turn her
With a
upside down.
Burger King straw.
Put her in our blood clot
They
bottle and
pitting
suck
them
her like a
Roger go to
Burger King
school
straw.
every single fucking day. Rose pitting them not going to
Rosa
school every
talk
day.
about I'm a
That's one
mother
of the
and she
main
never got
reasons too
PTA
Mother
why
meeting. Yes, and
CDA
weird.
talk about she's
visited
a
Rose.
mother.
Which
Because
part?
Rose
She's
pitting
big
them
and
now go to
sweat
school
in a
every
blood
day.
clot.
Rose pitting them only go to school sometimes in the week. They don't go to school every day in the week.
Rose got lava juice your mama. I left you to blood clot drip to thump you in your face. I left you to
They pitting them go to school every single day. Rose pitting them not going to school every
so
single
you
day.
look for
Them go to
Rose
school on
Rosalie.
selective days.
I left you to blood
That
clot.
is why when Rose up on
Rosalie,
our live every day and past certain days in the week,
Make
you have
sure
to say to
talk.
yourself, say, oh, our pitting
Ros-
them now go to school
Rosalie,
because she no want to send them go to
me
school.
can't give up my pin them. If me give them why I'm still a mind them. My son just
Exactly.
get in our football blood clot thing and him call me and say, Mommy, I want one boots. And him have to get him have a blood clot get it. Me just ask how much in the boots and my bite. Go suck your mother stinking girl. I go worry about Jake for your fuck Shanta. Worry about Jake for your fuck out Shanta hole. She not no man and stay. She talk to you like you're her blood
For them a
clot mate.
mate.
Go talk to your mate, no blood clot. And don't come about Sure and JR. Because they've never been touched. Shanta been touched. That's why when you lick her, she fly up for your blood clot. And she go
I
to her
run to
father and say,
Jakes.
Daddy. And they say her father come and defend her through every blood clot thing. Don't worry about that.
I talk about Shay careless. You careless,
Don't worry
Rosalie, when
about
they are
blood
walking sit out
clot
the pitting
that.
them.
Don't
When they
worry
are
about
walking
your
sit out the
daughter will
pitting them
turn your
late at
blood
night
clot
time.
mates.
The
And that's
party
what
where
worry
Rose
about.
keep for Chantal, what they are more expensive than the bed where Rose
Who
and
said
Chantal
out them
Your
sleep.
pitting late at
daughter will
night
turn
time
your
and
mate.
it's not Christmas time when pitting out on the road them late hours there. Eh? Rose walk and send out here pitting them late
Rosalie,
any
you the
hours
two
o'clock.
left and right, shoes
Grandma,
on in 2 foot.
it's not
You know see
grandma.
shoes,
Right
you
now,
know
blood
see
clot.
shoes are Ramish bike, Rosalie, 2
Me
left and
can't
right, blood clot
give
shoes,
birth to
left
no
and right.
child.
Left
Nothing
and
me
left
can't
and
give
People
left
wanna make
birth
and
to.
sure
She
right.
me
not
can't come
record
out. She
everything what
blood
she have
clot
say
thing
about me,
like.
please.
You
You find money
Record
about
everything what she say about me.
you go on a party about how you order cabana before you take the money and go buy some
And I
books.
sleep on bed when make out a plyboard.
Each a look back on the shoes and we have on
Here
the
we
night
come
cabana.
Before
blood
you
That's
even
clot
not
waste the
already.
alright.
money.
Pitney. When you talk about blood clot,
Right.
shut down barbar. Them never have a good blood clot bed.
Your
Them
bed
never
foot
have a
them
good
blood
bed.
clot tired.
She was sleeping in her own room. Jaya have him own a blood clot room. Rosalie gave pity them comfort. My two pity them have comfort. I'm sure have her own room and Jaya have him own a blood clot
Oh
room.
yeah, see you.
Now
Exactly,
pity
Shay.
not
She
feel
in the
up
one
none.
room.
You
I
still
act
no
like
blood
Shay's a one
clot.
pack meal. She in a
A bed bug take Rosalie make you have to dash away game in chair out in her room because bed bug
Right.
would have kill him in the so
So
you sound
could
like
your
a piece
size,
of
Bobby.
matter.
Well, Anna. So could your size, Bobby, when you come over here about Roger, really. Go suck your mother. You over Rosalie level here, she have a blood clot, pity them. I'm going to say, no, blood clots or nothing.
Who's
I
that?
want you to come over here, come blood clot, ask Bono, really. You stink no blood clot, you got this up Rosalie big
Roger.
pussy. Rosalie shut
Roger,
her pussy little
mad
bit
me
and
little
big
bit
and
there because
stink.
your moderator them now see everything what
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Mad me little bit there.
Work, Roger.
Mad me little bit there, Roger. Mad
You
me.
stink no blood clot, stinking girl. Don't come on my pin them every bumper clot thing me and have no
I
one
wish
come on
Badu
blood
that.
clot pin them.
I know my
I'm
True.
tired
Badu.
of uno. Come on,
True, if
come
you
on
left
blood
you left
clot pin
woman
them alone and
fucking
leave
picking
them
them up and
alone.
shape, but yo, Missy God
Stinking
knows
girl.
her.
Where was Mr. Jakes not stop fuck Shanta big pussy. Shanta pussy little bit big and stink.
No.
The blood clot come out sure and tell her dirty girl.
A true man, if you tap him on every fuck you,
I'm
then the
talking
definition
big.
exactly,
a
man.
full time
It's
man
very
should stop it.
disgusting.
You stink the blood clot.
And
Fuck
Shay
you,
putting them
tell
a little way
Shanta
better
to go
life than
bed
Rosalie.
because her little pussy stink. The little 10-year one she's supposed to stink already. The blood clot come out sure and Jay are stinking girl.
Right.
And the people them buy us so fucky people them a talk about Rose ever call her. Oh, them people are so wicked, Make them
Here
so
I know,
wicked.
Shay. Hold on.
Anybody will have a money gun, they gonna don't jump and take a leave for no. Vanessa, thank you so much. Come in, take a leave for no.
Yeah, for,
How would that?
she said big old Shay, but true the boy I talk with she a play with.
What am I tell you? All the things about you, 10%, then I leave him.
We just have a look for mighty God.
Man, no want to. My man feeling a Shay.
Me no want no man.
Rosalie, people say man no want.
But no man know why you Rosalie. Jakes
Me no
alone
want
you
no
there
blood
with.
clot man. Man not go nowhere.
Oh,
Me no
buddy.
want no man. Because it no make no sense for have a man and me have to take care of him. That no make no blood clot sense. Me no want no man Rosalie. Man not run left me. Man is not my light and my salvation. Man is not my priority. Stinking girl.
I separate lane. The hours come to me.
Man is
CK, I know all
not my
about do.
problem.
I know all about do.
Man is not my
CK, I know all
blood
about
clot
do.
problem. Man is full of blood clot problem. That is why man feel, you know. You worry about man, me no worry about man, come me no want no man. Man and
And
I
time
blood
they
clot
go type no
price.
fuck with the black them can't go over Rose go type no. No at all them can't go over the go tap.
Man is not a prize. I don't want
And
Omar,
Roger,
you
mad
can't
me
talk
no. If
about
I
how
even
that
for
man
that,
say too.
if I even for that live alone, mad me.
Moderators word, get rid of anybody when off a day. As soon as see them.
Your blood clot come here about man. Me no want no man. Man is not a prize. Me not there with no man. I'm here for blood clot mining. Me no want no man when me here for mine. Me no want no man when I want work.
Man, I sit down with a man for over 20 years to say me have man who have beat
Your
up.
blood clot, the man now come kick me and box me up. That is why me no want a man. Because man kick and box me up and chop up and stabbing up. No boy care up him. Any boy put him on palm him bury up
I
pussy.
embarrass them for life. You know, she said them a menace to blood clot.
You're there.
You're
You stink no blood clot. Me no want no man. I don't want no man. I don't know what to feel like some here run from. Me no want no man. You know see what man I don't know.
The house ever clean.
You're there.
I ever
Rosalie go change your drawers where you wear for 2-3 days a week time. Go change it. Go change your dirty nasty drawers, Rosalie. And 2-3 days you wear your one dress. And especially the one dress where you ever have on Rosalie. You
Exactly.
don't change that.
Let's finish our jeans there.
You not change that, Rosalie. So go change your drawers where you wear for 2-3 days, Rosalie. Where you look a black spot them in there.
Let's sit down and get up then wet to
Remember
bed.
police show your drawers to, you know, with the black spot them in there.
And he have his bag full.
Remember say your
Then
drawers,
say come in and
your
carry-
drawers like type of drawers where you wear, you just take them off and throw them like white marina. Because for your drawers them can't wash, Rosalie.
So them the girl left front and look on them and say stink.
I come talk about man. Remember say remember say one man alone you having Rosalie. Jake's are gonna be your man now, tomorrow and forever, cause no man no want you, Rosalie.
I just see
No man no need you, Rosalie.
You know see them the girl there with them big and wet no blood clot. Rose your sweat from top.
Like you make you smell your arm, Rose. I must not you smell your arm, Rose.
Molly
Like you make you smell your arm.
and the front
Rose coming like one of the big empty brown long time barrel them.
Right, you make your drawers I get too tight for you, Rosalie. Go buy your picnic, Rosalie. That may I tell you. That is why CDA came to you the other day. Because of the nonsense we had with your picnic them. How dare you send out your child hours o'clock at night to go buy a cigarette? And you feel like CDA not gonna know about it? And then they're gonna talk about any old CDA woman come back on me yard again, they're gonna beat her. You cannot beat nobody, Rosalie.
I beat nobody.
Go and dead.
Coffee walk him down in a blood clot king.
Go and educate yourself, Rosalie. You need to get back the grade 1 book where say, I am a girl. I am big. My bad here.
My name is
Pam. And I put me need to start back from. Because your comprehension low
Teacher mouth.
your comprehension low no fuck. There's a difference with understanding and comprehending, and you not have none of them, the Rosalie.
None of them.
None of them, the you not have Rosalie.
God to help him, give him wisdom.
You want to talk about Pitney, put Shay Pitney them with you. They're more educated than you, Rosalie. With their big brass.
Tumble tub. Where?
If Shay never Shay first, start
teach them up, buddy.
up the polyground.
I don't even have words to
expose you.
I can't even cause teacher them a deal with it, dirty. I can't even tell the girls to favor the
Then
big empty
police
brown.
come and expose you. She never have to expose you. Police came and expose you. And if the police them never come and me thank the police them for expose you. You think Ringo start ball it, him not start ball it.
People
Me hope him start put the GoFundMe money together. You think I take you go call for more rice? And water you go call for more bumbo clot rice when they in a jail, girl. The biggest stink.
Run kids joke on me. Mad no blood clot my head.
Every time you're sharing an argument. Talk about Shay.
Yeah, because they know how that a kid.
Where you bring up Shay Pitney for?
Delta James, love them, man. Come with the money gun them, man. Come with the money gun them.
She can't blood clot. Fear kids have a weakness because she not love them. She only living with them by choice. She don't have
no, me see why the blind one I leave you, Rosalie, because you're blind too.
Whenever I'm tell she
Our
about
country
the kids them,
gone.
no me there man. Whenever she tell she about the kids them, you know, so that a she weakness and
well,
continue
that a
to girl
female
with that.
left my blood clot pitney that Jamaica.
You want something constructive to go to Rosalie? Go fix down wig on her head, Evelyn. That wig on her head, Evelyn.
So you have to
That's
do what you have to do
go
as
fix
a
that.
female. Left in your pitney with them father, give them where go suck your mother Rosalie.
You want something constructive to go to Rosalie?
Every time when she and Rosalie have something, he ever come out with the girl Pitney name. Why ever bring up a girl Pitney name? The Pitney name not trouble your girl.
For the Rosalie?
The girl innocent.
You don't
You
take
see me?
clothes when you have.
You are Shay. Stop bring up the blood
Go
clot.
and wash
Pitney them
your
name.
dirty
Pitney them not
clothes.
trouble you. Big
Right.
sour pussy rose. Stop blood clot trouble the girl Pitney them.
Right.
Yeah,
And go wash your
she for the
stinking
sleep
pussy
people
where you
picnic.
have under your foot.
Yeah, why you troubling girl kids them
Somebody me I watch no girl every time
All
when
the
you
woman
have
picnic them reaching at it.
One night when Roger up on her live, I Roger asked her the question then.
Make a girl
Roger
Open up a car.
asked her the pertinent question then.
Blessings, any of my father. Go on,
I
this.
know you look like blood clot wheel. You don't come by nobody.
She go like she's that girl and she's not. She's not that girl.
Enough for you know.
Roger asked her the very pertinent questions them what day. And we rose up on the live for though. Ha 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 with her stinking dirty mouth. I laugh like it's funny.
We soon come back and
It's funny.
Yeah,
It
but
no
whatever.
funny.
Enough
Yeah,
a
but man,
blood
a
clot,
different
you
blood
know,
clot.
man. Enough
And
for
then you have
you.
the
Left off
audacity
a
to come
girl
Yeah.
talk
pit
about
me.
Shay
Me
and Roger
hate
them
girl
over
me
here.
combo
Yeah, we
people
have
pit
bigger
me, you
clout.
see.
I
Me
tell my
hate blood
soon come,
clot
me I
girl
go
me
The
come
combo
back.
time.
people pit the kind
Over
girl
there.
pity them
Me
not
I go
trouble
start
you.
out and come back. Me soon
Nah, no
come.
pussy rose. Fuck out rose. Done out mouth rose. Fuck
When Nicki
face
Minaj there
rose.
asked you what they
Left off a
Rosalie,
blood
what you
clot
want
girl
for your
pit me,
daughter, and you
man.
tell your daughter for ask. You not smart. You should have tell your daughter for ask you something constructive. But no. What you do with all of them, the money there, Rosalie? Rosalie, go get up and go cook. Run to the kitchen,
Money
Rosalie,
gone,
and go
guys.
and
Money
cook.
gone, money gone.
Go and cook, Rosalie, because God know you don't know how to do nothing at all. That is why your housewife, aka Jakes, I do everything for you. I even say I wash, cook, and clean for you
A
because
big
I am
girl, eh?
maid. I your
Oh,
housemaid. And
Big
then when you
girl.
want to look
teacher
sex,
laughing,
him
my
come and him
dog.
sex upon the live. When him want to look sex, him sex upon the live. Because you're careless. And then they want to come talk about people and them household and them pitney. Rosalie, go and look alive. Go
Big
and
girl,
go beard,
Jakes.
Rosalie. And before you look the life, Rosalie, you need to sort out your dirty clothes that we have to wash. Me like you,
On the
Rosalie,
veranda
me
and I
start
drop
wash the
garbage bag.
clothes them from
Right
now.
now, in the which
Because
ball, where
anytime now
Rose
me I go
right
to
now, if
jail.
you get up and be a gingy fly, there's sour no blood clot and a
Right.
Teacher,
combo
I just close them
people.
and I want garbage bag on the veranda. Right on the
Anytime no
front of the
Rosalie
veranda, I
you
want
go
black
into
garbage
prison,
bag.
so me like you, me start put the clothes them together and figure
Me no
wash
know
them.
all good people
Find
and they
something
don't left
constructive
all
and do.
them there.
Take a
You
day
know
off of the
Rosalie
media,
fuck.
Rosalie, and go wash your clothes them. And
Just take care
especially
of
your
those
drawers
weekend.
them, we have
Each
the
a
black
mouth
spot
bad.
spot them pan them, Rosalie. Cause for your drawers them, Rosalie, not even bleach alone, you need chloride and you need some other substance by your drawers. Because to how it stain, Rosalie, the stain them a go hard for come out. So you need to put your hand to work and go find something constructive and do. And come off a Shein or pitney them. Because they're more educated than
All
you.
anybody will fuck all rose them too much strong, no blood
Right,
clot.
me also.
If me that man, me name look for rose them,
You
not
think
even
you
for
call
dollar to
Barbara and
pussy
Chantal
clot.
yet to come give a kiss by your jaw? You think you call them yet? Me say them a go beat out your nastiness when you come out of prison. Watch. Them a go put you out, Rosalie. You think you cuss them mama about Matt
Kiss
yet?
them. Me never know say
You
a
need
pitney
to
a
left
kiss
off
mother
a
panty
girl
jaw.
pitney them
No
man.
mother
Every
fi
time a
hug
man the
them
You
girl
pitney
na
think
and
you
make
sing him
cuss
a
them
them
come
feel
about
about
Matt?
pitney
You
and
blood
think you
kiss
cuss them
clot
mama
them.
about
girl
Matt yet?
pitney.
Chantal
Enough
go
for him now,
beat you.
man. Where pitney them
Hello.
there, pitney they know they one fuck. Let the girl pitney them alone. If I and share, you and share. Let the girl pitney.
With a
Jakes
liar
tell
self.
Shanta the idea.
And
So
go rest so
Shanta, things
tired
gonna
blood
get
clot
better.
hole.
In time Colleen have baby go take in everybody. Shanta,
Me no know
Jakes,
how people
or
like you
Barbara,
sleep
or
at
Right
night,
now,
Rosalie.
if Queenie never cuss, Queenie dark, you know.
Me no know
Just
Right
how
now,
listen to
Queenie
people
me.
like you
dark, you know.
sleep at night time, Rosalie. Because you're torment. You're a torment soul.
Me hate girl where them and parents are cause them a combo people blood clot pitney. Me
Me
no
not even
like
I
him
think
think
man.
Rose
woman need
know
to
what
stop the
PTA
man.
stands for. Rose don't know what PTA
She
means.
never been to a meeting.
Because she
Rose
has never
Dogs
been
no
to a
blood
More
clot.
meeting.
Rose.
Rose can read. Rose Dogs like a blood clot, but Rose can
Right.
read.
You can diss my
Hey,
friend Shay
Maria,
and Queenie.
Maria,
And
listen to me.
worship it,
Hey,
you stink. Go
Me
hey,
beat
not, me
wait,
not
wait.
Rosalie.
gonna so call look no
Money
blood
my purse
clot
there.
views in a long time. Me I watch Rose, every time man the girl na something I come about the girl blood clot pitney.
Roger,
You know
where
Not
fine
moderator
never
them?
now.
like
Where
Rose
moderator
from
them, the
man.
Roger?
Never for
Where
the
moderator them? The
Eh?
moderator
Right.
one day.
The
Where
GoFundMe money
moderator
where
them there?
Gringa put together 10 million
Moderator,
for go
one of
buy
them, I'm gonna not deal with
some
the thing.
degree and some Gillette because you need some of that Rosalie. And some Dove spray for go under your stinking arm. Tell Gringo for put the money
all
together
under
for
her
that.
fat them she have to go put deodorant. All under the gill them she have
Rose
under her
Right.
smell like
arm.
a
The
blood
two
clot
big gill
young
them she have under
Basida.
her arm one deodorant too.
I like how for your face ever dry Rosalie, you need some ear oil or olive oil for care with it for wipe on your face.
Need Vaseline.
Vaseline.
Wait,
Vaseline.
Rose
Maria.
smell like a young blood clot
Darling, where the
Basida and a
money
pussy
gone?
clot and a combo people.
You can't go
Maria,
Rose
like
no
you
man
sour
want
That
to
is
like
do
it.
fix
a
rose.
lime.
I
seriousness,
saw some
Rosalie.
acid
Rosalie,
and
you
water
Rose,
wicked.
span
Rose
him.
more, Rose more
But one
slimy
never
like a
beat
blood
rose.
clot conk. And a combo people pitney.
What the rose come pan like, but she a eat oxtail. And the oxtail where Jakes by a road, you share it out in a plate and dish it out. I can go on like Jakes can cook with oxtail. A oxtail we go by a road and dish it out in a plate, but oh, this is my dinner.
No, Andre Stevens the same can cook. Remember, I was Andre personal chef.
Right.
I never dinner that way have food.
You don't have no about you want class people. Eh?
You know, unnecessary Rosa hoodlum.
Let's see why it's
Rosa
so
blood
lucky like
clot
that.
hoodlum, you know.
Which mother a
Things
class
go.
next mother pitney? Which
I
real
don't know
mother?
that.
We are talking
Exactly,
about she have
exactly.
empathy and she
Every
have
time
all
he come
kind of
Them be
about
with
human, he
Maria
a come
already,
about
man.
the
Them be
woman pitney. Where you come about the woman pitney
no
for? A
real
China
mother
and
not
listen to
class
blood
people
clot tell
pitney.
Shay. I know say Kia and no argument with Shay say ever come about the girl pitney. Climb him out, blood clot rose.
Right.
Scorpio down at the bed bug, them when they bite him, make him spray off the
Who
bed
she
with the
a
one
call
say I
animal
bed
favor
bug.
them rhinoceros dead. Or animal. You
A
can't
bed
call
bug when they
people
kill
animal,
That
they
her.
are
even too
mammal.
cuter than Rose. Rose is a
You favor
ugly
them
fat
sea donkey
person.
there. You
You
know
say
all
Rose
the
make who
Santa Claus
uneducated look bad.
class.
Right.
Rosa
He said,
fly me there and pitch by blood
Rosalie have
clot
4
night.
neck
Fly
and
me there
5
and
belly
pitch
and a
by
class
night.
people. 4 blood
And I
clean
call
neck and
class
5 belly and a
people.
class people.
Look for a nice clean body share. Rosalie want class.
4
There.
neck
Class
and
my pitney there.
5
Oh, you
belly.
Me
alright?
running a
Rosalie we
blood
have
Class
blood
clot
people.
clean
share
minerals
footstep.
and dove cat
How much
Nowhere
for your
share.
walk
We
in
have
shoes again
minerals
for
the
the
and
blood
dove
for
cat
the
clot
and our
self.
blood
ball
clot
something?
pussy.
Boy, we take time, one
Me
at a
say,
time. Watch
Rosalie, we are
Multi-weekend
marketing
wash
walk
and
with
them.
shoes you
minerals and
want.
dove cat and our blood clot pussy coming like Humpty
For the
Dumpty sat
shoes.
on a wall. Look
No,
for
the boots, the
Rosalie, look
boots.
for Jakes it with the, like the big
What
old
brand
blood
you
clean chuck
want?
them we are go up Spur Tree Hill.
Take time,
Yeah.
ready. Slow down
We
now.
breed
Yeah?
them. It's still up on the life.
but you're in a music video. Go make
Okay.
a video on your way to
Hold
prison,
on, hold
Rosalie, with your
on.
big, stinking, dirty, nasty,
Mute now, mute
uneducated
now. On
self.
the mute. Wait, mute. Mute. What brand you want? Alright then. May I send the money come give Friday, yeah?
Yeah,
Alright, later, love you.
love you.
Alright.
Say hi to Queenie for me.
Eh?
Say hi to Queenie.
Okay, no problem. Got you. Alright.
Mama Queen
Rosalie and my son that come run left.
Hey, do that and beat blood clot share. Do that and beat
Queen
her.
And my son that come run
Pussy
left.
Rosalie, do this and beat Shay. Dirty
Yeah,
Rose, do
a
this and
And my
beat
Dr.
son
Shay
come
with
Maggie
the
run
Do
blood
Birthday.
this
left.
and
alcohol. You
beat
all
share. Look for
tired.
her blood clean. Rosalie needs scotch
Rosalie,
brite
you heard
steel
that? You
wood
hear
to
that,
her neck.
Rosalie? A that I go mad, you, Rosalie.
Brit, me I go send a TikTok liar, you put it up.
You stink no blood clot, but run well.
Baba.
Give a pitney and run well if pitney. Give
No,
a
you
pitney
Bigger.
got
and
to
run
choose
well if
Rosalie. You
pitney.
can't
Praise
give
the
me
big
no
up,
more
Queen,
Rose.
peace in
just
there.
save a little
Oh, the
crab where they
fuck
in
you
a
have for
Sebastian
my
will say
name.
under
Let's
the
the big
blood
up.
clot
I'm if
sea.
you a pitney and run well if pitney, I'm still have to look off time. You stink. Bright.
Say,
We hear my son
I
say,
know you're
him say,
alone.
heal up Auntie Queenie for me. Go suck your mother Rosalie.
Enough madam I know out there who they are foreign and at work. And then picnic I eat them good nice dinner, picnic take care of.
You out of order.
My mother live a
All
foreign all
Chantal,
of my
they eat
life.
a
Me
Eh?
box
grow
food every
nice
day.
blood clot.
The
Me wish
fucking
my
Box
bright
food,
and
My
out
mother
Chantal,
live
they
a
of order.
eat
family
What
every
every
the
day.
work
bright?
food.
me wish my parents they be run left me and got foreign and I walk out and said, give me money.
I would have
Eh?
known.
The fuck?
Jesus Christ.
That
Every
favor
day I'm gonna come
Rose.
here about pitney. Lord, the pitney argument alone. Come and talk about
Picnic
something else.
touching.
I
This
think
The
one
I
not
fire
subject
nice.
is
that
very touching.
This one not
No, me
nice.
see
Feel
why
like
them never
people
got your
kids
daughter
too
birthday
much.
party. Cause you evil, Rosalie, a bad mind. More than never
Guys,
send for me pitney, or God
guys,
pitney,
who not can
or
ease
whoever me
up
have in
off
my
I
family
picnic
come and
now.
see your daughter birthday party. Cause you evil,
God.
Rosalie. You big and evil. Not even think you can spell all birthday. Boy, you keep birthday party. Move and go from here, Sir Rosalie, with the uneducated self. Move and go buy
Hey,
Chantal some
I never
books.
know. See, I still teach a mouth at, you know.
Move and go
Santa
buy
want
Chantal a
clothes.
proper pair of shoes and
Use
slippers
her
to go
where
to
you are
school.
say. Use her where you are say. You don't have no name, you know. What you are say.
Bright. You can talk to Shay
Come
and,
down
and,
for
and
this.
Queenie. You can walk in a Shay class, Rosalie. Eh? You wherever in the same clothes every day, Rosalie, want to style people. Rosalie, go and bathe. Go and bathe, Rosalie. Cause you stink. Bright. You need a
I know
Lysol
that the
on your
game changer
crutches
they must
area,
go like
Rosalie.
a dog.
Lysol you need on your crutches area, Rosalie. You need some Lysol.
You
Down
know
the
one
think,
picture.
Rosalie. You need to spray out your old Rosalie, cause I think.
Commercial break,
Work,
commercial break.
good
Come on, you
face,
put up
break
some gift
can't
cards
hold
for
no
Raza,
Can't
man.
cat.
You
hold
put
up
up
that
some
she
gift
need.
Right, you
Man,
look
let
like
the
boyfriend.
James
Make you
man
smell your
thank you.
dirty self, Rosalie. I like you,
commercial
pump up
break,
hype you, make you
commercial
feel like
break.
say
Hold on,
any
hold on,
man
hold
over
on.
here so
Gift
why you
time now,
Rosalie.
gift time.
Rosalie
Come.
no man know why you more than Jakes.
Teacher, hold on the teacher, man. Hold on. We
Plus
want
me
to
not
see for
even know
the
if
things, man.
Jakes is
Hold
a boy or a man.
on.
The country side teacher.
Come on, you know, put some gift across the screen, man. Come on. Every hour, 1,800 people sitting. So come on, man.
Yeah,
You know,
man,
put
look at
something
money
up there,
gun,
man.
man. Come on, man. They're gonna look at money gun, man.
Put something on the screen,
All
man.
they
Whatever
feel
it
like.
is. You
I
know, put
want them
something up
book
there,
a show
man.
gear down. I'm gonna be make mama all our blood clot.
Brit
Me,
a
That
road
I
one,
chat
want
too.
Not even
backlash.
I
Jake,
that
you
one.
One
want blood
backlash. It would I want a
clots.
melt him
What
out
is
like a
Jake?
butter.
Say,
Right.
no make nobody make you feel no way
The
because
blood
you know
clot,
what you're
right?
doing it for
Right,
your
every
pitney
time we
them.
can say
Cause
back
the
and
end
go
of
to
the
that
day,
pitney. Lift up off a blood
Mommy,
the
clot.
day,
Martin, none of them
Shay,
people I come and me feel no way about nothing.
no.
It's just the problem that them love people, kids. Them
And
will
if it
never cuss
is
you and
half
tell
a
you
people
nothing.
blood
All
clot
them come about
picking
is pitney. Come on from a pitney them. Worry
Jeans
about
and
your pitney them.
pins.
Every time
Mm-mm.
your daughter, you lick your daughter, she fly up on you like as she and the mother, and
Exactly,
you bring
Shay.
her come here, and she
No,
behave
I
like
know
that.
that
She bring
shade. He
you
might
come
never
here.
take it same man. Say, I go
Oh
clot
God.
him
Fly
back. It
up on
all
you
about
like
take
a
it
Gemini,
same
blood
man. Say, I
clot.
go clot him
Gemini,
back.
Gemini, nobody talk. Let's not be them. Let's just not talk about the kids.
Martin, come down. Come down.
Martin,
No,
listen now. Listen
Martin,
now.
come down
no.
and
No,
talk
listen.
nice.
Yeah, when he talk about the girl
Make them
pitney,
Because
blood
when you
yeah,
talk
clot
yeah,
nice,
you talk
talk.
about the
Martin,
girl
Make
Martin,
them
come
pitney.
talk.
down.
Make them
Martin, let me
talk.
say
Raja.
something to you.
Make them talk,
Everybody
Shay.
on TikTok know my logo. Talk
Watch
about my
TikTok
kids, me
liar.
dig up blood clot your them. You talk about my pity them, my bury for you. Me go stoop to the level
True.
where you
A
want me to
true.
go.
A true.
I'm
Fire for
going to
fire.
stoop to your level that you want me to go.
Fire for
You
fire.
talk about my kids and I
An
bury
eye for an
blood
eye.
clot yours.
An eye for
Right.
an eye
Okay
for
then.
true.
Lady pusher that me tell him to send him
Me
come
nah
over
go
here, come
speak.
we make we skin him down there like how him skin
Nah go
hog.
speak pan the kids them
Rosalie
but
from
me
the day
cuss
my
roast blood
born.
clot.
Love said it.
From the day my born, a 2 time I fuck and breed. And a 2 pitney me have 2 lovely kids. You name pitney like a dog. Cemetery here to see you blood clot coming. Big pussy girl
Mm,
cemetery here to see you coming.
baby, up here, ball.
No
Baby,
Martin.
up
Them
here.
baby up
Wanna
your
give it
ball
a look
around the
about
Right.
yard.
on them.
I me see a man cuss her last night.
Cemetery here to see you blood clot coming. You walk on him the whole of the belly them. When last say do one pop smear. Go do a
You
gynecology
can't
search
walk
about your
in there,
blood
if you
clot
walk in there,
self.
baby, them a go on last post. Then can't go in there, not even passing, can't pass cemetery.
Remember, say Rose cannot walk to the door now because she's obese. She
Exactly.
can't walk to the door. That's why the one dirty Vetty over there to with her. When I have no foot. I such a big woman them when big and careless.
Me not be no bigger person. Me not want to come talk about.
Right.
Me not big already. Me
You
already
can't be the
blood
small
clot big. Me
person.
can't be no bigger person. Me
You
big
can't be this.
already and me can't big no more.
Rosalie, go and walk to the door. I go take some
And the
fresh
people
air.
them where keep up with blood clot was dirty, galang in way mad dude. Him and them I see him
Me
fucking
say
thing too.
no.
They have to tell him when he wrong.
Gemini, Missy Rosa done Shay Pitney them and them a gift her say me. What kind of fucking human beings are
Exactly. Then I
fucking
talk, me I
what kind of
talk about
Exactly,
human
him. One of
beings?
them
Martin.
I see him
Eh?
pitney. Me hate people who come about people pitney. Into blood clot out and I
Leaving
going to go in
everybody.
big back
Put
self.
Shay and Rosalie together. Shay have way
Sorry,
better
with the
class than
matic.
Rosalie.
Lady
Shay
bear.
lives somewhere. Rosalie is catching. A catch, Rosalie a catch. Catch,
Rosalie,
Rosalie
me
a
say
catch.
Rosalie
Lady with the
just
Rosalie
walk
picking
matic.
down
them
a
over to
bucket.
Red when
school
Rose
5 days a week.
Rosalie can hold pan
But
bed
sure,
with
and the
blood
little boy,
clot.
alright. So how them are
No,
gonna get the
no,
two
no,
pitney them?
no,
Rosalie
no,
Alright,
picking them
then.
go
no.
to
Every
school
minute she
on
want to have
Monday,
my pinny
Wednesday,
cheese and
and
me not talk
Friday.
about her finish. Rosalie can
Them
never
enter
class
Man
the
a
me
wrong
blood
Shay.
clotting
house.
about my kids
Man
them.
a wrong Shay.
You
Me
can
a
Enter
never
the
wrong
house.
speak
Shay.
Them
on
Man a
me
have a
wrong
without
job
Shay.
to
Man
talking
a
do.
wrong
about my
Shay.
kids.
Right.
Man a
Why?
wrong Shay. Me not I swear to
Rosalie
God, man a
picking them
wrong
go to
Me
Shay.
school
tired of your
Monday,
stinking
Wednesdays,
girl. Me
and
tired
Friday.
of your man.
They picking them go to school Monday through to Friday. Rosalie picking them only go 3 times in the week.
Why Rosalie
Sometime
call
too.
sure and
And
little boy
sometime
name?
too, Roger.
And sure
That's
and little
facts.
boy
And
comfortable
that
and
is
not
why
beg nobody nothing.
CDA came out too. And Rose don't want to come out come talk the things them.
No, Mr. Shay just call his son and his son so damn happy. Eh?
Cheese mama want go on.
Why
Intelligent.
pretty
You
it?
say, girl, baby, look boy, is so intelligent, you
The
fuck.
boy
I'm
sounds
And you
so
qualified
want to
fit
come
better
out
happy.
to
than
girl
Rose. Rose,
pitney.
come on for the
Head
girl
girl
pit. You
pitney,
love
man.
You
fuck
know,
on
hear
girl
Mr.
pit too
Rose
much.
need the grade one book where say, I am a girl. I am big.
Done done.
See my bag here.
But
My name
here,
is
my
Pam.
name
And a book
is
that she need to go
Pam.
read.
Oh God.
She big and
I have a
uneducated and
book.
dunce.
See my
Even
book here.
Cheese son can read.
What you mean?
What freeze?
If you avoid the girl pitney, man, enough is enough, man.
Right.
Avoid the girl
Them
Yeah,
can't
pitney,
you
go
know,
man.
man.
chat.
Them can't do no
Class shit,
better.
but no class
Rosalie, go
pitney. Pitney,
and
they not
run to the
And
door
anytime
control the
and
pitney.
go
anytime
take
a
some
girl I
oxygen
use
because you
it
need
have
it.
to pit me. Just
You
know
sit down
that.
for your big ass every day, not doing a thing. Come in and sit, me not find you funny, Rosalie. Roger is funny, Shay is funny. He's
He's
funny. I
funny.
have times when them switch it up and them talk real life things and them come and be realistic to people. When you depend your life, I do every day, Rosalie.
Taps
When
and
you
roses,
depend your
chat.
fucking
Taps
life,
and
I do
Unless,
every day,
roses.
unless
Rosalie.
somebody fixing
Which
blood
talent
clot,
you have,
this
Rosalie? And now
flow
me see why you
people.
could have got England. Now me see why you could have head to England.
Two money
Because
gun
all
So
chat.
me, I go book
if you
Rose
have
Queen
got
for
England,
England and
Rosalie,
me
and
have to
one
buy
plane
two plane
alone would have
ticket.
to bring you. Because you would have mashed down the plane with the rest of
So
people
why
them in there.
Rosalie
So
alone
you
need
big and
two
fat
tickets?
and sour.
And if you go in
Cause in a two seat, she
And
have to
water.
get. One seat can't fit Rose in her plane. She have to get two seat. So
Money
And when
buy
bag
she
two
in
and
the
ticket.
plane,
cheese.
she have to go get the, she have to go choose a
Why
compatible seat
God
so
help
she
me.
can stretch out her twist foot them.
And she need extra leg room.
And the fact
You
is
want to
that
come talk about she
the,
and her
no,
pitney them?
the fact is
Rosalie,
he's
what
come
are
chat.
you doing
Man,
for
she
your
man,
pitney them,
she head
Rosalie?
clean to
You're not doing
bar,
nothing
rose
for
head
your pitney
clean
them,
to
Rosalie.
sour.
Not what all you not do for them, Rosalie. If you ask Shanta them what them eat every day box food, or sardine or rice, and that are them fucking national dish, cause that you have feed them pan.
It's
Every
about
single
Raja.
day.
It's
Exactly.
about
Every
Raja.
single day
It's
a
about
box food,
Raja
box
and
food,
Shay.
box food, box
And
food.
about Jabas, I repeat again about them two fuckaya.
You think you walk a change your hairstyle in
Them are the
Rosalie?
problem.
You walk every single other week a change your hairstyle and you're not going nowhere. You don't look good, Rosalie. The money where you take a change your hairstyle every
Usually
other
you have
week,
to come
Rosalie.
down here
You
for
should have
that
used that the money there
style.
do something constructive. Every day you come out and come chat pan man and pan girl and come talk. You have put your money to use.
Yes, sir, Rose.
Which
Me
money
have
you
a
have
same
put to
place,
use,
Rose
Rosalie?
cookie board. Me
You
don't know
not put no
how
money
and sunflower she
to
a
use,
run.
Rosalie. Rosalie, go and buy a bed. And that you need to go start. Go buy a bed. Buy a
With
proper bed,
head.
Rosalie. And when you buy the bed, no buy one mattress, buy two, can buy a size,
Teacher,
Rosalie. Because the moment you go on one, it's going to sink down.
hold on there. Teacher.
Teacher, you must
Go
bust
and
the
bed,
light to the
Rosalie.
teacher.
And also,
Hey,
Hold
teacher,
on
Rosalie,
there,
I'm going to
teacher.
say it
film going
again.
on.
Teacher, now
Teacher.
one back.
Remember,
Teacher.
say
Teacher,
police expose Rosalie draws them in and you
Teacher,
can see there's
listen to me
nothing
no
black stain them
teacher.
in there.
Hold on, calm
Right.
down, calm down. She just asked Red and say if him would left Anna for she. Red and say no, I prefer the tail than the wheel.
Yeah, red and skillery.
three. Me can get three fireworks shot in at
When
the
you write the
gift
F1 in
gallery.
Right.
the chat, guys.
You
Protect
Somebody
think you
give me
live
want to
three
come do some
fireworks.
decent people over here, sir? I want to
protect the
think
live
people don't
stream.
have no sense.
F1.
Two people on the pound the side. We don't want to come pick side. I want to hear Rosalie.
Guys, you know write F1, thank you. Protect the
Somebody
chat.
give me three fireworks.
Want to hear Rosalie. Two people on the pound the side. And then when you know, say nobody never really there for your side, Rosalie, you want to come now, come change the narrative. I come talk about you were empathizing. I not even think you fucking know what empathize mean.
That's
I
true.
chat GPT you use not too long I
Missy,
go find what that the word they mean.
Missy Ringo a ball and a just on gear. The
You
man go
think
for
Ringo
gear
start
one,
balling?
gear
We're
two,
gonna
gear
start
three,
balling.
gear four.
Martin,
Eh?
Ringo.
you
Ringo,
get brave,
I'm a brother.
Martin.
Who see I want that
Eh?
Ringo
Martin, you get
I.
brave.
Me not hear.
Me see Ringo
You get
me see I.
brave.
Eh?
Martin say, Ringo, you brave, Martin.
And then every fucking thing gonna come bring Roger in there, come talk about Roger look cloud. If Roger want look cloud, that a Roger fucking business. You are look cloud to Rosalie. So
Oh,
a
me
cloud
see
for
At
cloud,
least,
a
Rosalie.
cloud
at
for
least me
cloud.
not look close
Listen,
off of the
mother,
wrong
she
A
said
thing.
the
cloud for
little
cloud.
money I go away, so she start crazy. Jesus, oh
Free money gun chat.
God. Hey, man,
She
I'm
money
going out
gone.
there. With a shit, mother sit on this and try crying now.
Father cheese.
I feel like a joke me I make. Well,
Hey, God know when him,
we
God know
can't
him do when
believe
him a make some
it.
people, you know.
Man,
God know when him do when him a make some people. It's a good thing you never slim Rosalie. God know.
Mr. Rose, for one bucket of water.
It's a good thing you never slim Rosalie. God know. I mean, no wish man ever take up for themselves and look for you. Not even when me desperate, Rosalie. How right you make you smell yourself, Rosalie.
you
Your
there.
When
jaws
you
them
see
get too
Rosalie,
tight.
teacher, when you see
I've heard
Rosalie,
of
you
you.
say yuck.
Eh?
When you see
I
Rosalie,
like
Yuck.
you,
you say
I
yuck.
like you hype her up. That's why our jaws them I get too tight. Our big jaws them.
Oh, true,
If
right?
you feel
You
like
can
saying
look
out to
hard.
right you, I look her.
But
Every other man I
all
go
right,
look her.
you for
No
either
Rosalie.
when shit in a right you vein.
No Rosalie.
Yeah, man,
Don't trick
shit in a
yourself.
roll a right you vein. So me couldn't get hype from right you.
Don't trick yourself, Rosalie.
When I see Rose, and I say, I will let out the dog. Move for me. I will put him
Yuck.
there. Who was
Yuck.
Yeah.
that?
Yuck. Rose is a
Before
yuck.
Ringo think about the lawsuit them when having a foreign. Before Ringo think,
Chrissy, thank you, Chrissy. Ringo dead man in I show man. Grams dead man. Gigi dead man.
Wanna keep bury her?
She
they
just
over
say when
here
him see
put
the
up
money
store
I
for people
slide
for
out time
grams.
You
palm him
don't
start
talk to
ball.
you, get a leave. Go higher, come down low, and then he start talking and him staring at the camera. And when he look again and the member say the money now go nice no more like what it used to. Hey, me say bust out a blood clot ball. I don't talk to you. I know me not see no eye water. Me say I. You can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Right.
Me say I brush have to go brush your teeth to the dog
Oh,
toothbrush.
God.
But you come here blood clot. I can audition you come.
Rose, dog, when me have out tired. About 4 days now, me no see him. And I see
Hey,
him where roads look. Hungry and
Ringo's,
tired, no
hey,
blood clot. Walk out
Ringo's,
class
hey,
people. Nah, no
Ringo
rose,
sound like a
rose.
victim, you know? Ringo sound like a
Don't
victim.
talk to you.
Me
Rigor,
I
you
tell
guys
you
say, come
Ringo
on, people.
Bex.
Fall for this. Fall for
Ringo
this.
Bex. Let me read something. Somebody send me something.
Rose favor you
Ringo
hurt
Bex,
to no blood clot.
I know look Bex, Ringo Bex, you know.
A whole Bex. A big a ring of hustling this, you know. Roger Dana watch how much you there on the rank area. This case closed from last night. Zandra
Dana watch how much of the on the rank.
already did it.
So what
Dan
that
need to go
mean? Why
fix
she
her
much?
wig on her head. And that she need to go do.
So
So then they said Dan said she no believe this fabricated. I wanna know
Dan sound like somebody we have sense to your cheese.
who you had to say when they know say Dan Nam said Dan can't even read the 1 grade book.
Rose wants something constructive. You got to go help
Yeah?
Dan fix her dirty wig on her
Oi.
Please,
head.
Dan say 9 from 30 left 16.
Yeah.
Boy, you come out in a Jamaica shirt today like it's Jamaica Day. Jamaica Day
Nine
and Rose
from
in a pair of
30
9
left
safety
from
clothes.
16.
30 left 16.
And so she used to give her money in a gambling, my love. You see what time she play Sealer off the bank? The amount of money she give her night. Don't see her? You think the boy them no love under her
she
hand?
want pass me, but Rose want pass me on the rank.
She passed
Yeah.
already. One girl
Right.
named Bobby over there shoot.
18.
No,
Oh, she
say
got a
That a for
9.
them
the
that a
man
for
say
them business.
9 from 30 left 16.
Come on, guys, show me. Let me see what me have over here.
Most was language teacher teach she maths.
When you
Alright.
drop the money in them chat. Who not the next one too.
Come chat.
I'm
You
not
know,
sure
put
Rose
up
ever got school
Raja
for the
on the
game ban.
ranking. Come, guys. Come on.
Play two
Bad girl,
game, you know.
thank you, bad girl. Thank you, bad girl. Bad girl Stacy, thank you. She said they no want give me nothing. They no want give me nothing. Bad girl Stacy, thank you. Yeah, bad girl Stacy.
Rosa
Yeah,
come go on like a
ballet.
TikTok
Cheesy
bus. Roger. I'm
blase,
a
steady
TikTok
with the
bus, Roger.
magic.
Yeah.
Roger bus long time, cause I know Roger from him a dance on the road.
Yeah.
You see,
Raja
Yeah,
Alright,
that's
you
so
how
me
see
me
know how
Rose
from
to
I
do
see
it in
York.
a
bad
dance.
man. Man print out for Rosalie face. For head
Stay
to
a long
toe
time when
in
she used
bad
to come out with her store time and I
Chub
get
say
her
big up
stories
girl. Come on,
and
we
I
no push
dance and
people,
her
drop
look
the money
stupid.
gun them. Just drop the money gun them and push.
Yeah, this you want me over here now to protect the life because you see once we they attack one attack comfortable. F1 is to protect the life. So when them come and check this page, when them start report, people gonna say, alright, the people are big people and them a do them thing, avoid the life there. Cute.
The time when he did I worry about Shay and Shay pitney them, he hustle up me neighbor liar money and that thing for hustle up me money.
That Jakes, you go call about more rice. A water, you go call about more rice. The girl, them a go beat you in a prison.
Money gun chat, money gun.
I said the girl, them a go beat you in a prison when you come out. Shanta go give fear the dose of beat no Rosalie.
And push broomstick up under him.
Bright.
One time I say
Man,
when me
Somebody
see
beg me
gold
fly
plates in there,
jet.
and
Me I
people
beg
go
somebody a
court.
fly jet in my gift gallery. I work hard,
Boy,
play hard in my gift
At least
gallery.
when it in
Me I
a
beg a
prison,
instant
Rosalie, the girl,
seller
them
in
in
my
there will
gift
tell you to do
gallery.
exercise.
Me say when he come out, he can get slim, you see? When he get them done with him in there.
yeah,
Bright.
yeah, that's prison. It can manage prison now.
Rosalie, I got prison.
She get served since night.
Oh, she get the
What?
service inside.
But I know from the person, a different person.
I lie.
Fucker.
Yeah.
Fucker.
Yeah. Wanna tell cheese oh.
I would me
Oh,
no know come in that work, no
me don't
tell me.
know.
Tell me who.
Jay. Read Roger lips. Read Roger
No,
Who?
lips.
me no hear.
J. J.
Read
Jaden.
Roger lips.
Jaden
Jaden.
server.
I
Jaden,
lie.
What the blood clot this? Why Jaden I
hold
go
on there.
sue Rose? What the blood
Come go
clot this?
send two
So
five.
what? Season this
I'm gonna
system
send
send
five
her.
money gun.
Where the blood clot this? Jaden cool
I
down.
can't bother in here,
Can't
you
put
know.
that. Yeah. Jaden.
All of a sudden, I think I'm the next person.
Where the
Genesis there
blood clot
something
this?
if
So
you
where
have it.
Jaden take it up on himself because my boy
To
not do it.
come.
I lie.
So what? She
So
can't
what
say
job I
the
say
name
we
again.
pan?
Where the blood clot this? Where the pussy clot this? Jaden.
Oh, so
And I
she
Roger.
kick
forget
out.
about
Yeah,
Roger,
Oh,
you
police.
fuck yeah,
understand
That's
me
one
why
day,
what
she's
me say
Roger.
no. You
that's
see,
why she had to
anytime
go to
Roger
that's
jail.
why she's so
or
ignorant.
if Roger
Oh, why
or
Jaden do
Jabbers
that to the woman?
anytime
Jaden beat
anytime is wanna serve Rosalie one cease and this is letter. But the idea they me a empty up me account pound of scream. Believe me. If you want a girl go down I start you not even know me a empty out it. You tell you it's a promise.
Me I help your country girl.
Must think a joke. Any day anybody that I know send him cease or can go court man. Me tell you. You not for worry man cause me wanna watch me name.
Pain,
Me they don't know it
pain,
cause me they pretty up
pain,
on the screen.
pain,
Rosalie
pain,
need to walk to the
pain,
door and get some oxygen. And that she need to do. Come
Yeah,
off of
go
this.
down man.
Money
pain.
I see
gun
when
if
me
you
hear
no
them,
can.
when me hear them for live, I talk about say, oh, a community should have put over pink wall. What if we put over pink wall? What
Pink
job
one
has
no
to
use
put over
fabricated
pink?
story.
Beer
You need to put
pain.
none over
Pink
pink wall.
one
I
not
not
run
do
with
nothing.
fucking.
Pain.
I
If
think
you
pink color
notice
here.
pink wall,
No, What that if we
not
put
even
over
put
there?
mix
If
up.
somebody
A
goes up for
credible things the
true,
people them a deal
somebody
with. A
from the
credible
community
thing.
would have must a message Pinky and say hide my ID and nobody
No, sir, I don't think Pinky
not
I
do
eat
that.
that. Pinky I don't eat that and
Pinky
Pinky they
go
on this
eruption
long
and
time.
fabricated story.
Fluffy Diva, you mean by
Country
me get
girl
sue
can.
sue for what?
I want a sue country girl.
Anything Rosalie can sue if you go listen, if you go sue Jake's cock out a Colleen that thing if you go sue.
We name Colleen and with the blood clot.
Cheese late though,
Carry
man.
Jake's baby.
I
But
was there
heard
with the
that.
cheese. Cheese, I wish
Yeah.
for you did
He's
there.
already there.
Who is Colleen?
Jake's woman.
Jake's
Jake's
new
Oh,
baby
baby
with the
mother.
mother.
blood clot. She come
Baby
by
mother.
life.
I
I
miss
want the
five
cheese.
season.
Oh, wait, you know me sleep too much though.
So Jakes, him one have so much woman and he no look good?
Here Jake's to Colleen. Here Jake's to Shanta. Shanta going
That
to
the
get
girl they
better.
careless.
But Jake's make sure somebody tell Shanta say things go get better cause he's so moving Ghana Colleen, you know. Hey,
Where
what's
Colleen
boy?
there? Where
Member
Colleen? You
said
see her
Jake's a
Rosalie
prisoner, you
bus
know.
Jakes? So Jakes, you really are gonna left Rosalie now and go to Colleen Jakes?
What you mean?
Member said Jake a
In a
Oh,
man
prisoner.
what
style.
The
this?
chance he can get, the the prisoner get him off to go
Well,
bad.
I'm gonna use your blood. A
Everything
lie.
is easy and work at it.
Yeah,
I know
work.
you
I
see,
give
no?
them rose money. Yeah. So how
The
shall we
TikTok
take him
liar
man
head there.
and the man really have a fact
Sir.
and Rose really are the weight name the head
Are
of
the
the
Somebody
breadwinner?
family.
with birth, you know.
What
Are Rose are
sir?
the breadwinner?
Yeah, Rose are the
Yes,
bread.
Jakes are the maid in the house. He
And
wash
she
up
said,
and clean.
Jakes, a long time she and him the same supposed to give her bun. She said, Jakes, give me bun, Jakes, give me bun.
Jake's a, Jake a Cinderella.
Yeah.
That is it,
Yo.
Martin.
Rosalie are the wicked stepmother.
Jakes are house helper.
Yeah.
But
So
if
the
Jake left
chance,
Rosalie,
Him
what
now
I
go
go-
left him just a play, but remember say she had the provider and him have to take care of Colleen and the baby them.
Wow.
Mhm.
Why,
Yeah.
but the money not done now?
And
Because
Jakes,
she not in
No,
prison.
it
Jakes
not
of
go down.
Jakes of wash the chapal in them put pan line and also rose jars them have some big old blue chapal in them.
Yeah, yeah.
Just take them
So
and
so
heist
so
them over
Rose,
line so.
so Jake I go watch Rose. You know how tired and brighty. You know
I
them fancy
mean,
they big
some
like
big
she.
old
Yeah, me just
chapal
hear
in.
she say she want dumpling and she don't want a rice
No
tonight. So
fucking
Jakes I go
out
cook
tired
you
and
now.
robe, oh yeah.
Big old chapal in jars because him a take them and fling them over line Altanias and dash them over so not even tablecloth. Yeah, girl, go
tell
ahead.
tell Jake to put him back in hood.
Hey,
That is it, Martin.
Put her back your body
The
back.
lad, the lads put him back your
he
body.
rose just can only hold away so I still left space.
So
And
oh,
her
me know you
jaws
know
are
go father,
blows.
father them no come out, father them no
And
come
her
out pick
jaws,
up
remember
one
say
line
she
from there.
bottom little and top big. Her
Martin,
jaws can't hold.
father them no dey on
Her
line.
Father come
jaws.
out and say me have until Wednesday if stop call him name.
Me
Yeah,
nah say
yeah.
no,
Father go
me
Up
nah
the
serve
say no
you.
about
days.
Ringo. Me nah go
You
so
say,
Our
far.
Maggie, you're just
our
2 more
Ringo go
days.
do.
Ringo go serve you.
Ringo
No,
go
him say man
serve
put
Must
up
I
my
go
Christmas.
body.
serve him paper?
Put up your
And
body.
him a put up my that too, man, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 Yeah, that himself a true
So me
G.
And
tell him
so
say
then
why you
stay.
wait till
Once you
Wednesday?
add too much mouth, them
Why
a
you
go come
wait till
for
But
you.
what's
Wednesday?
so
That it a
special
break.
about Wednesday?
Yeah, that it a break the internet, put it out now. Big
Britain
dirty
But
there for
not
thinking
stop it.
batty
neither.
man.
With them a bag of fabricated story. I
Cause them
feel
say
like
Peter
nobody
Some
gave
can
man
her
in
believe
my
it.
cause
Never
a
classification
can.
big
till
dirty thinking
Wednesday.
batty
But if
man.
I love you one more time, you know.
You
It's
can't
Ringo
manage
them.
it.
Peter
Big
gave her
dirty thinking
classification
father.
till
Big
Wednesday.
dirty thinking batty man.
And
And
him
and
not
my
give
sister
Roger
watch
till
them.
Wednesday.
My sister watch them hard in her class for class Shein and say you big dirty thinking batty man friend them. Class shit.
Ringo if him victim them get justice. The people them way rob, them want justice too, you know.
Watch
Him
panda
gonna
extra
arrest him,
large man. Now we ain't
prosecute
gonna
him
get that.
alive.
I
Then
want
I'll
try
come
to
on when we
spend
come
the
off,
money
man.
gun them.
I done alone. Me wonder if she not tired.
So what she
You didn't
do
want
now?
fear number.
She did
Oh,
it.
tired.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
put
take
them a
her off
shoot for
now, no.
Rosalina.
Share. We not have that girl a number. We take her off now, man, from
Who that?
Martin Shaw.
Exactly.
Who
I
that?
wish shady.
Blood
Dan.
clot,
Nah, let
go
me
Hey,
go.
down.
man. See number here. Hold
Put
on.
it out,
Yeah,
put
put
it out.
out it.
Write it in the chat. Come
Make
on,
a
chat.
call,
We
make
have
him
a
come
work to
off.
do now.
Say,
People
you
will
have the
start
woman
freeze.
number.
Yeah,
And
well,
Rosalie if you
Put
start
it
get
in
call now too, you know.
676. No, 61 something. The
hold
61
on.
number.
Hold on, cheese.
617 number.
Yeah, man, if you come off a bed
Remember,
rest
should
now,
man
man,
know
I'm
it
going
out
to go
of
lie
bed.
down.
Take her down now, man. You
No,
come
man, go and
out.
rest now, man.
Tata
Blood
thief,
clot.
dad.
Come
You have
off,
to
man.
come down, Tata thief.
Dirty number call me have minutes.
Just write it in a text, in a comment. And
Write it in
anybody
the
Cheese.
else can
chat.
write it after.
Cheese.
Oh.
He bed set what you have in there, and if lightning flash there, we struck her, you know, you can't tell her, say there's something draw lightning.
Who ya tell she then she afraid? See number ya people. See number ya 617-980-3967. Get her.
Watch basement.
617-980-31.
Yeah.
Miss
'Say it now
basement.
3967.
again.
Oh, no, sit down basement there.
Say
People,
it over
murder to
again,
blood
cheese.
clot.
Hold on.
Cheese, say it over
617
again.
917.
is 9 or 6.
No. 617
Nine.
980-3967.
She said
All right.
if you no call it, a message she will get.
Oh, that means I not use her one day.
So she not
Basement.
Her
use that.
phone for uncle if your number in her phone you can call her.
I like ya
Yeah.
tell. Private number can't call her.
I feel like every private number money, I have to get to him.
Oh, she a watch with then.
And you look so.
King, she has said Jabba's gone up at 7 and Rosalie gone back down at 8.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, she for the ranking, I watch ranking. That's our problem,
I
people
watch
money.
Jabba's and Rosalie. Why you watch both of them?
Eh?
Why you not watch number 1 and number 2 and number 3?
So why you
So
watching
much
the
people dep
rankings?
on the app and dep on the ranking without cuss and them something there. I don't know if you see her.
She set it up.
I tell her
Maybe
say
a different phone
Me
there,
go
Al.
call her,
we
see
get
me
her.
call her 3 times and see. If it not ring, we gonna crack any code boy yeah. 617
So what make she
980.
what make
She
Danny that sit
not
down up
add
and they
her
watch
on
this alive,
WhatsApp and
yeah?
call her.
Why
Our
she
life
just
she
sit
a
down up and they
watch?
watch? Yeah, cause how she know that say I plan to call her.
She must a hear.
No man, I was on her live earlier and she said that, and she said the number I call from must in Nevada or Nevada.
Fear number is I saw where she live.
Bastard is
Darwig.
Uncle girl live.
Boston he live. And near me, you
Darwig
know.
she live. And Darwig.
In the basement, I know it. Me get all the next 2 bedroom and then still in the basement. So you see all them can chat in nobody. Can chat in nobody for true.
Mighty God of Daniel.
Big cuff that man, 50-year old and have nothing, a empty slut, nothing egg. Mad?
You never expect all of them a fan her though. She disappoint me. Me never expect.
Very,
Come did like the
What
woman, you know.
happened?
Me
very,
Yes.
disappointed in her. Me
very
never expect this from
disappointed.
How
her.
can this a tuna some hard believe in Thomas and no gullible no gull up one gull up? Not saying you know. Because I
Yeah,
came and I
gullible.
warned you like the man named Noah. And someone, like Noah. And nobody take telling. Till now wait and hear from somebody else's mouth. Come on.
Me never know
Come
such a
on.
sister.
I am one credible piece of cheese. Don't tell with my story and people. I will class them sweet. But that's just about it.
Raja and the rest of them big up on the bodies, you know.
Your bad teach me up yourself in the art of love.
Man,
Brawly.
you know that man cheese, you know that.
Good. Ask your
Jay, big up,
father
you
why
know.
he
Raja,
give
big up.
yourself to the
Big,
little
big up,
boy.
big up.
Big up, dad.
I give.
Bitch, big up
Big up, me
yourself, my
girl.
dad.
Yeah.
Big up.
Yeah.
Martin, big
You
up.
know, sir,
Big up
I
yourself, bro.
do that.
How would them Roger them a call?
You,
No, what happened? No, somebody
Oh, me
phone I
think.
ring beside me.
how
Oh,
are
I think
this?
if how are this in that shit
Oh, the
pit?
matter pan, the matter, are they killing, are they, and like,
No. Mm-mm.
I want that share show.
I know not gonna my
Bruce, what is
business
that they're
over there.
showing?
Under
I did done
basement.
what going in house.
not true.
Guys, me I
What
go
is
jump
it?
in and we not take care of ourselves.
Big up yourself,
Shay,
Gemini.
All right, Gemini. Martin, big up
Uh,
yourself. Him
oh
boy
no.
Miguel or Martin, me fi say, And that's why you
Gemini,
not
oh,
answer.
mama, thank you. Big up.
One blood
Ah,
clot, Shay.
Jesus.
That me know.
Zana rub them
Who?
out over there. Who name's Zan?
Zandra.
Zandra.
Sandra.
Oh, under that basement that. What?
Yeah, under basement.
With the blood clot this? The police got
Like
search?
shit flag up under there.
Jesus Christ. A shit now that's sitting there with the man.
Mackerel shit.
What? That down basement? Yes. I was there.
Boy, chat on can give me the look of money on them, though.
Watch down wall. Look under your mama basement where you live. Look how your blood clad full it up a wallpaper. The wallpaper them all no crease out. Hmm?
Dan
Pull
have
up the
some dirt
woman
there.
blood clad and basement a wallpaper.
Run pan our page, Shay, and look on some old video and just zoom in the blood clot ground, girl.
Me say
That
watch
one
her, the
that look
woman
like
a
she no
touch her,
sleep
watch
out.
her, the woman head a touch her ceiling. The woman head touching her ceiling. Every day she come, she want to get girl. Leave me alone.
Dan over there look under Shay private. Like under there you
Yeah.
want come swim.
You look so.
Yeah, the glory hole.
Mighty God.
Georgia.
How many year teacher? Teacher gone.
Teacher, just tell her
A
bye.
teacher
I him
just
that tell
take
her
it
bye.
about it. A
I him that
teacher
tell her
run
bye.
away
I
Say
don't
from
I
want
think
school.
him.
I'm Martin, a teacher.
Me I
Yeah.
have to
Alright,
money gun
teacher,
fi
blood
send.
clot. Me
Roger,
swear
Roger, they
think
auntie
say,
is
I'm Martin.
queen.
ah, this queen,
I don't know
I do.
moderator.
How name so?
his queen. Oh, showing up earlier.
Yeah, guys, F1 protect the chat. Keep protecting the chat, guys. Always put your F1 now and then. Always
Yeah.
remember, protect the chat. Yeah, big dirty careless
Beg
woman.
me, the cheese galley. Raja. You know, see me
Mm-hmm.
send you something in your DM. Oh, you need to tell me, say, are you make Jabas not get lock up already?
Yeah.
Justice.
Me and make him get locked up already?
Yes, and that mother father say sorry. Father say I
Oh,
you make justice no serve.
Father,
Looking
they
at
Oh,
your
can
DM.
live.
so you're big now, Raja.
Father, they,
Looking at your
Roger
father,
DM.
they
liar.
live.
I wonder
Me
if
I
I
say,
meet them
father, they
police here
live.
come to.
She know she say pa one comment, somebody
I
comment
wonder
and
if I
said
meet them police here
why
come
would
to for
making it
true.
about Raja? She comment back and say because he's preventing her from getting justice.
Yeah. So
No pause on
Jamaica
the
cable.
mic.
Every
You know, say
Yeah.
my
Roger, you go
police,
take
Mute.
my
them.
case.
Same
Mute.
thing when I talk about my police, you know. I mean, them come to man, I spin them, I spin. They mute the live chat.
Yeah.
They mute me.
Mm-hmm. Our Rose will call police. Could call CD upon him.
Be careful.
No,
And
my
Raja,
boy, them man, them good. My boy, them
Oh,
good.
mm.
okay. I would have sent
I'm a
CD down there
bodyguard.
tomorrow, you know.
No, I'm a bodyguard, but he look like him at work, like him up on duty.
Yes, I
All
never
right.
know.
Go do country, not
I
talk
never know.
out now
Say,
do.
point in your opinion is stopping the girl from getting justice. Oh, that makes sense.
Because
Yes, you said
Raja
you're not
run
no sense.
Jamaica. Is
You're not no
Raja's
Oh,
sense,
remember
you
and
look.
know.
to wellness.
Where say me have a look? Well,
Looking
my
at
look,
your
what she
Yeah,
say?
Raja Chief
DM,
of Justice,
me
the
send it to
fucking
you.
right cake.
The justice system.
Right? Raja,
Imp
then oh you can make the you have to
Oh, you
write
know,
up
so
a
me get
letter
this
make the
already.
government give me my asylum over here, you know.
Cause he's
Raja,
in the way on justice. Yes, somebody
Raja,
send me this already. And you know, my
Raja, you
person
can't
asked
get that. Me
this.
want to a letter for write to
When
the eyes.
I watch a comment, somebody say when Roger say police are comfy, they say Rose over there happy up.
That's a shower, Raja.
Yo,
That touch and the
yo,
pan.
I said,
Yo.
police come for me.
yo.
Rosa
So,
laugh.
so
Oh,
mad,
Rosa
Wanna go
say
over there?
so
police
mad
come for
People
people.
come
you.
here.
Jude over
Shh,
there,
wanna go over
son.
there. Wanna go over there and type and say, police come for Roger. Wanna go on.
Yeah.
Just go on and
Me
type
get
and say,
blocked.
Police come
Hope
for
you have
Roger.
MX phone to watch
Yeah,
this. You see,
Who in the
yeah, me
comment
get blocked.
section?
So.
Wanna go
Hold
on.
on.
Flood over
Don't
there.
go over
Flood
there.
over there. And say, police come for Roger.
Police
They
just
say
lock
my
up
smile.
Raja.
They say
No,
my
it's
smile. That
not
means
that
say
you
the panel
can call
live.
her them dirty style, but not nowadays, Raja. We are
She
wait
said,
for
they
you
say she a
all to
smile.
bring down that.
She a smile.
Don't think like
They say,
myself.
Somebody, Larry said somebody get already.
uh-huh.
So where she there? Raja put on a green screen now. Remember where there?
No, I'm not drive.
It
Where
no,
me at? No,
it no
me
matter.
not drive now.
Me know it no matter. You don't know that too?
No, I'm a place me there.
Oh,
Some
no
can go and just
matter.
go
Me
to
like
Roger
carry
nothing.
sit down.
Yeah, but that not have none. If you not drive now, them can't do nothing about that.
Okay. No,
Me do my life every day in my car. You
okay.
can't do
I
nothing
want to with
about
them.
that. But
I
think you
want to
talk.
with them people,
Think
you
you
know.
talk. Think you talk my location.
Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah, they go
The
police
boy,
down there. Yeah.
And me hear they say, what she say? Smart dollars are prank.
So all people quick for people down fast. So me tell you the thing already.
You can put on police light in a green screen like police they have it you. What that? Who a ring? Them black you? Yeah? You wanna type it at them black or no?
Yeah.
They might tell her a prank.
People are watch Roger live and I watch Fear live.
Yeah.
Yeah. People them are sell out. We're so excited.
Look how they make me a drop out of the top 20. You know, say, on a terrible. I'm literally there from morning, you know, from 7 o'clock. And I know it not end. Literally. Me a hold on up and not tell me not even the money gone them. Not the blood clot. From 7 o'clock, me there.
Three money going to reach at 7.
TikTok liar, watch your live, Roger.
TikTok liar, suck my dick, bitch.
Yeah, she watch your live. She over here.
Suck my dick, bitch. TikTok liar, me hate you. And your body man suck old father. Me hate you, your body man suck old father, gringo. Me hate you no. You want a broken nose man where Michael Jackson will him nose gay. Come suck me. You just reach where you miss when you get rid of that person. Eh? In one mute. Mute them. Thank you.
Right on time. Thank you, bestie.
You know, and some of them like me.
Go reach out and put this. Guys, we play one bit more with make him go on. One more we have to make him go on.
Oh, that.
Shut up!
I know nobody that work.
How would that know?
Look how close the woman is even that you are at.
Jesus Christ.
Very close.
Oh God.
And Dan want class people. That's why I don't understand how Dan want class people and look on Dan ceiling.
I'm not sure I
And
ceiling.
wallpaper and wallpaper Dan put in a ceiling.
I'm not sure I ceiling and I don't want to look something have over in bed. Like a mosquito mesh.
Country and wallpaper she put in the ceiling.
Get you said car here and you have alopecia,
You know me
so
here,
what you call it?
Me not gonna work with Britty no more. Me not gonna work with you no more. A blood clot. You come like the next Shay. You come like Shay 2.0.
Me say.
Alopecia.
And the woman we go have the boat, the ball spot.
Okay.
Alopecia.
Mighty God.
The ball spot wig.
Damn part that man.
I would them write street. Somebody write 325206 Bronx apartment 47. How that?
I don't know. Who for some of that?
Yeah, I think it's a
Somebody
lie.
write it. Who for some of this?
I know
325 E206 Bronx apartment 47.
How would that?
I think it's a liar. What?
already.
I don't feel like that. The apartment 40.
Dan no live in Bronx. Dan live in Boston.
Yeah.
So you get the wrong address, baby. That's not Dan. Dan don't live there. Dan don't live in Bronx. Dan live all the way at Boston. Connecticut already down the so on him. Dan no live there so.
Somebody I say a Ringo one.
Oh, Ringo!
You never said Dan. Berry where you said then. Tell me where you said then, no Berry.
Oh, what you say, Ringo?
Kiss my teeth if me deaf. Who are you talking to?
Him say him. Me don't know which him can say Shay see him address here up at top. Me don't know which him attack, but he can.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
My friend Massachusetts said she live.
Yeah, Massachusetts, whatever.
I'm saying say Ringo. Him say a Ringo address.
Oh, Ringo.
Choo.
Mama look for my paper, wait.
Look first, make sure you confirm me first, cause why anything
People are
she
come
tell me
over,
that me I work with
and people you come over here come say anything.
I would that
Screenshot.
about Berna. Oh.
Me understand. Me can look
So
my man.
Berry, you sure? You sure?
Wait, Roger, wait, no man, you know, say she good panda, she go and check out it.
You know what?
On her page and zoom up the ground too. Go on her page and zoom up the ground too big.
Thank you for that feeling.
I remember Hafiz and long time. One two that I used to live with some goat.
Watch
That's
out.
why I went to teach goat and everything. Find the ground now. Find the long time people them the ground.
Berry. So how you get that info over there, Berry? Berry, how you get that info there?
Bring a live in South Bronx. 325E. What on there? Come go Google this, yeah.
But when you want Ringo address for? Ringo the lease and down them for put out. Ringo them not nothing English. Them not nothing to hide. Ringo them not do nothing. Down them are the criminal.
Who for fuck me that?
Man, I get banana. Man, I know.
Man, I'm looking for one. I would have a lot clear this year.
You see from them time they down a walk a thief panty off a line. And a thick girl, man. You think I do a dirty girl. You see how young stage them? Them down a 49 down by the first bed. 49
Him
year old.
say him woman had a package for Ringo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is remove unknown break?
Him right.
Let me lock you up. Let me
Take
lock
her
you up.
down. Take her
Raja,
down.
Raja,
Come up back unknown.
Raja.
Yeah.
Him right. That's true, him right. Yeah, Berry, you're right. Him
Mother
right.
address.
What is?
My father, you can't. I can't.
Yeah, him right for true. Him right.
Me glad me still in a shelter. But you can't get now. Way.
What is? I have to restart chat. I have to go restart, yeah?
Okay, I
Alright,
want
flag
now.
them.
Shake me, restart shake, cause them flag me.
Alright.
I make me get the flag with the show, you know. Wait there. I restart real quick.